name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I am reviewing these tape ends from Lavy Hair. They sent me 4 bundles of this body wave that I straightened. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I really like this look. It's giving very much natural, okay? You can't tell me I haven't been eating my vegetables and taking my biotin and my collagen on the daily basis, okay? And that's why my hair is so healthy, okay? It looks so good. I really love it. If you guys want to see me install these tape-ins for the first time, little disclaimer, this is my first time doing it, so not a professional. Was a trial and error situation, but everything feels good. I don't have any tape-in snagging or anything like that. But yes, definitely not a professional, but I will show you guys how I installed these tape-ins for the first time, okay? So if you guys want to see me install these tape-ins and all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. Okay, so now the hair looks like this. I did dye it just like a warmer brown because the tips of my hair, I don't know if you could tell, but I dyed my hair like a little while back, so it's still like a little lighter brown in here. So I went ahead and dyed this as well to do like a little color match, but the hair looks really good. I did get 4 bundles. As you can see here, I knotted them all together. Y'all, this is my first time wearing tape-ins, so this is definitely an experiment for me. It's gonna be a challenge because I have to do it myself while filming. So like, I don't even have makeup on today because I was like, no need for no makeup while I'm over here stressing myself out trying to put these damn clip-ins in, or these tape-ins in. So I'm gonna save the makeup for the final results. But the hair looks really good. It did come as body wave, as you guys saw, but I went ahead and dyed it, washed it, blow dried it, and then straightened it a little bit. I had it wrapped up in this little bag, so it does have a little bit of wave to it, but I'll take the straightener through it again once I have it all installed. But yes, this was initially 18-inch body wave, and I trimmed it probably, it was like this much. What is that, like 2 inches maybe? Because the ends just needed like a little trim, and one of the bundles looked like it was like 16 inches. So I was like, let me just cut them all just so they can match. So that's what I did. And now they're all in sync. But yeah, the hair looks really good. As you can see, it has a lot of body. This is after washing and dyeing and everything. And I use, what did I use? I use like Dark and Lovely box dye to dye it, and I just put it on the hair for like, how long? Maybe like an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour. I left the dye on there, and then I deep conditioned it with the conditioner that comes in the package overnight. And then I just rinsed the conditioner out in the morning, and then blow dried it. After blow drying it, I did put some of that Bio Silk oil, just a little bit on there, and then I straightened it, and it came out really good. It's not oily or anything. Gave the hair a lot of body, and it smells like relaxer, to be honest. It definitely smells like relaxer. But anyway, all right, so I've never done this before, you guys, so I am just going to start, and I'm gonna let y'all watch some of it, and that's it. Don't take no lessons from me, because this is a trial and error type of thing, so I don't even know how it's gonna work out. So just watch me. I might do a little voiceover, maybe, I'm not sure, but Anyway, I'm about to start, and hopefully it doesn't take me more than like an hour and a half to install these. Again, 4 bundles. You know, you have to sandwich them all. I believe there's 20 in each bundle, so that's 10 sandwiches, 10, 20, 30, 40 sandwiches. Only got 40 sandwiches that I need to put in, so it doesn't sound like it should take too long, but guys, I'm all done. I installed all these tape-ins. It really wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be so hard. I was like, I can't see the back of my head. How am I going to, like, what? I was like, I put a mirror behind me. My backdrop is behind me. I'm gonna put a mirror back there. I was just so worried about not being able to see the back of my hair just installing it, but it really wasn't that bad. I think it took me like an hour and a half. All right, yes, it took me about an hour and a half to install all 4 bundles. So I did install all of them, and I think I made them pretty even, at least when I got up to the last row of tape-ins goes to here. And then I pretty much use 2 packs in the back and then 1 on each side. So it is pretty even. It is pretty even. So I cannot complain. I feel like the hair looks really good. I haven't tried to put it up in a ponytail, but I'm going to try real quick for you guys. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I can't even imagine having this much hair for real. Like, this is crazy. But yes, this is how it looks in a ponytail. I don't see any tape-ins exposed. Maybe that's a little one right there. I don't even know. No, that's not even one. But yes, it looks really good. The ponytail is flat, as you can see. The tape-ins laid so flat. Look how flat that is. That's so flat on both sides. So yes, I laid them pretty good. I do have them going in like a smiley face. I don't know if you guys heard about that technique when installing your tape-ins, but I definitely have them going like kind of at diagonally right here, and then they're just going straight across in the back. And yeah, so I can still put my hair in a ponytail. I can't do like any side parts or anything. I can't do any side parts or anything, but I would have to adjust them because I definitely installed these to do a middle part and may be able to, I have like this much leave out on each side, so. But yes, I have a nice little deep part going down the middle. I love the hair is so flat, so flat. I don't have any complaints. I'm thinking I really love tape-ins. Only thing is this hair is body wave, so it's going to probably wave up or whatever over time, and my natural hair is relaxed, so it will pretty much stay straight. But other than that, I think it's a go. So yes, I think the hair quality is pretty good as well. As you can see, it does have a lot of body and movement. I did dye the hair this like chocolate brown color. It did not come like this. So yeah, if you guys can tell, it is dyed just a little bit. I literally just dyed it just a little bit because as you can see, my natural hair is just a little bit lighter. And then you see right here, this is the natural color of the tape-ins. And then as you get down to the bottom, it gets like more chocolatey brown. So yeah, but I think it blends very well. Very well. I will try to give you guys a update on how the tape-ins like last, the longevity, the quality, if it starts tangling up or like acting up in any way. I will try to keep you guys posted. But yes, thank you again, Lavy Hair, for sending me these tape-ins. I love them thus far. Love, love, love. Thank you, everybody, for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.